Hi everyone, welcome back to Kido. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Samsung Galaxy A71 4G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then eject the SIM tray. Next, undo 14 screws on the mid frame. And then use a plastic carpet tool to create an opening to separate the mid frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to separate the plastic clips. Take out the mid frame and then disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect the main flex from both ends. Next, take out the battery. To remove the battery, apply heat to soften the glue. And then use a plastic carpet tool or something similar to cut the adhesive. Be gentle in this process and pull out the battery using a pry tool. Next, disconnect the antenna head and front camera from the logic board. Next, undo the screw and pull out the logic board. Next, apply heat and pull out the vibrator motor and earpiece from the frame. Next, undo two screws to pull out the Touch ID camera. Next, disconnect the LCD plug and apply heat to soften the adhesive on the charging port board. Next, pull out the charging port board with the antenna. Now, the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame. For the replacement, there are two different screen types are available. The one is with the frame and the other one is without the frame. It can be original, used, refurbished or aftermarket. Either version you choose, you can get with the frame and without. But the most straightforward repair will be with the frame. And also, the price difference is not that big. I recommend you go with the screen with the frame installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket. And this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing removed parts. First, place the vibrator motor and the earpiece on the new frame. Next, place the logic board and fasten the screw. Next, place and secure the front camera. Next, place and secure the charging port board with the antenna in the frame. Next, connect the LCD plug and secure the antenna cable on the frame. Next, connect the antenna head to the logic board. Next, secure the Touch ID camera by adding two screws. Next, place a battery with adhesive. Next, connect the main flex by clicking from both ends. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, restore the mid-frame. Ensure the clips are tightened and then secure 14 screws. Next, before closing the device, it is good to verify the functionality by powering up the device. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.